I'm going to open up 2 guns. I'm going to open up this today. And also, I'm going to open up this also. So, the first gun I'm going to do is this one. So, let's get right into it. So, this is called Max Action Commando Series Minigun. Electric lights and motorized vibration. All it does here, it does not shoot anything. It just makes sound effects, and it has lights also. So here's the front, and here's the back, and now let's open it. So the only one in the package is the gun. So it doesn't come with ammo or anything like that, but here. So this is all you get in the package. Yeah. And so the scope is not removable, especially this magazine here, and even this right here. Just so you guys know, this is not removable. It's not a working flashlight. It's just, you know. Yeah. And that's all. And the next one is this. So this one is one of the weirdest and odd toy blasters, actually. It comes with a dino, and four foam balls. Yeah, this is one of the weirdest toy guns. Weirdest ones ever. So I got this over Meyer. So let's open up and see what we have inside. Alright. So this is all you get. You get like 4 balls and a dino. So you put one ball inside the mouth. That's kind of weird. And that's that actually. Yeah, it's weird. Yeah, that's all you're going to get. Thank you for watching this video, and have a nice day, guys.